The Toyota GR Yaris M Concept is a game-changer in the world of hot hatches. Unveiled at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, this concept car features a mid-mounted engine, a significant departure from the front-engine layout of the standard GR Yaris. Designed by Toyota's Gazoo racing division, the GR Yaris M Concept aims to push the boundaries of performance and handling. At the heart of the GR Yaris M Concept is a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, replacing the standard 1.6-liter three-cylinder unit. This new engine configuration not only boosts power but also enhances the car's weight distribution and handling dynamics. With the engine positioned behind the rear seats, the GR Yaris M Concept promises improved balance and agility on the track,